up, everybody? So the last time we talked about solo restrictions, we talked about a rhythmic restriction. We said you're only allowed to improvise with triplets. Today, I want to actually talk about a melodic restriction. So let's go back to our F blues, and let's say now we're only allowed to choose 2 notes per chorus, and on the entire keyboard, we're only allowed to play those specific 2 notes. Now, the whole point of this exercise is going to be, how can you form and develop a solo using only 2 different notes? And I think this is actually a really important part of jazz. Far too often, we get caught up in our crazy vocabulary, crazy patterns, crazy lines, which is all awesome and really fun, but sometimes we need to take all of that material and get back down to the basics. How do we form simple melodies and say something important with what we're doing while we're improvising? So for my first chorus, I'm going to use only A flat and F. So each chorus, I try to come up with a pattern, or less of a pattern and more of a riff. So each chorus, I tried to come up with a short theme. Maybe it was a rhythmic theme, but something that I could recognize and develop. Then what I would do is I would try to take that theme and develop it over the course of that specific course of the blues. Now, overall, I also wanted to slowly build in complexity as I played those 3 or 4 or 5 courses, whatever it was I just did, and slowly build the complexity of my solo and maybe build the energy. Now, that's not to say that every solo has to be built in the same way, of course, but that's what I was trying to do there. Now, of course, what we want to do is we can slowly then expand. Maybe we're only allowed to play 3 notes. We can do F, A flat, and C. Or maybe we can only play notes in a certain range. So any notes between this F and this C. The point being, I want you guys to experiment with some melodic restrictions and see how it affects your ability to develop a solo. I think you'll find that it forces you out of your comfort zone and helps you have better thematic development in your solos. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. Be sure to like the video, click subscribe, and click the bell to turn on notifications. And I will see you guys all very soon with some more awesome videos for you to learn from.